This 2021 Forest River No Boundaries 19.1 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stove top burner, water heater, LP detector, smoke detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River No Boundaries 19.1 is 4,264 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.